Welcome to LCD TV, which means Linda's Cats Dogs Travel Vlogs. Well, Ruby is not that kind of cuddly dog. She sits on his lap now, but when Lars takes his arms away, she will certainly jump away. Next week it's her birthday and then she will turn 11. Oh, yes, that's good, honey, you can do it. Oh, look, they are sitting there so nicely. Have you found a new spot? Honestly, I must say, Lars put them over there. Jump! Well done, little Yields. After breakfast, we first went for a short walk, and then we went to the grain mill in Gammel Rye. We had already been there last week, but then we couldn't view the inside because it was closed. So we only had pictures and videos from the outside. Now we were able to do that and also made some beautiful drone recordings. And in this video, I show a small part of it. And for the extensive visit to this beautiful mill and also its museum that goes with it, I refer to you to video number 41. I will place a link here above and also below in the description, though it will be more easily to find that one. On our way back from this visit, we went for a walk and then unexpectedly ended up on the grounds of, I think it is a museum. At first, we didn't really know what kind of museum it was, but then it turned out to be an old paper mill. The nice thing about this is that, like many other things in Denmark, it is freely accessible. It is not closed off and you don't have to pay an entrance fee. This is located just outside the town of Skanderborg and it is surrounded by beautiful lakes, a really lovely area. Hopefully you can enjoy it as much as we do and even find it worth a visit. So now we are really curious what is inside. What are all those shutters for? I think there is water in there. Maybe for boats? No, that makes no sense. I saw a sign that said turbine house. Now I have to lift Kaylee up because she keeps falling between the cracks. Here is all the history about this museum. Oh yes, look, here you have all those doors that can be opened to let the paper dry, the ones we saw outside this building. And in 1944 there was a huge fire. It was in use until 1972. Lars says to me that there are still sheets of paper hanging over there. Indeed, here you see all the sheets of paper that they hang on these hooks. Yes, I'm coming, but I can't go that fast because I'm filming. So now I understand what those doors were used for that we saw on the outside. Perhaps you can give me a thumbs up if you really like this video. If you haven't subscribed for free yet, you can do so by pushing the subscribe button down below. By activating the bell, you will be automatically kept informed when new content has arrived. And your comments you can leave below this video. This is already the third or I think it's already the fourth time for sure. The first time we had a pizza together. The second time we had the donut sandwich. Today Lars chose a hamburger and for me the same sandwich I had yesterday. Lars now also unpacking to see what's in it. Oh, delicious fries. There are also 3 different sauces to come with it. And now open this. It's a really nice kebab shop. We are lucky that it was right in the neighborhood of this campsite. My sandwich is really huge. This is the last time we eat at this campsite in the evening. Today, September 5th, I think about 1 hour in the afternoon. We were here yesterday evening too, then it was a bit cloudy and now it's really nice and sunny, about 25 degrees. There's a strong wind, but that's nice, then it cools down a bit. After dinner we took our darlings for a last evening walk and we decided that we wanted to put away the awning, the table, the chairs and the ground seat now. It will spare us some time tomorrow when we have to pack the mobile home again before leaving. And tonight is the last sight of the evening light in the swimming pool right next to our mobile home. We enjoyed it a lot. Our doggies are still rolling around in the grass. Lars has just emptied the toilet cassette and we are now going to take a shower and go for a swim the last time. Then we will remove the dog fence and after that we will drive the camper to the parking lot where Lars will put the car on the trailer. We have rolled this net out completely 50 meters in the other direction, almost needing half the campsite. Normally we don't do this, but we want to roll it up a bit more tight now. So the net has completely tied it up again, everything neatly in the back garage, and it fits really well this way. Because we had a few times rain, there comes a whole splash of water from the roof. Due to that, there is a deep track in the grass. And I see there's another ram block. I will take it with me and now drive after Lars with the car to the parking lot. During our holidays, we almost always have the car with us. It's on the car ambulance. So Lars first removes the rams from underneath it and then he can safely drive the car onto it and secure it with 4 tension straps and then the entire set can be secured to the camper. We are almost ready for leaving and we want to spend the night in Delmenhorst when we have passed the Alp tunnel in the northern part of Germany. Most of the time we don't like it to leave really early in the morning. So now it's about noon. We can say goodbye to this beautiful campsite. Hopefully we can come back next year. We really enjoyed our stay over here. We just filled up diesel at this gas station. There's also a McDonald's. There's a huge parking lot also for trucks. We found us a place in the shade next to a truck. And we'll stay here for a while, have some dinner in the mobile home, and then we hope that the traffic jam at the Alp tunnel will be gone. And now it's the last evening meal for us during this holiday. For me, there's iceberg lettuce with tuna, corn, apple, carrot, and Chinese cabbage. And for last, Chinese food with chicken, rice, fried onions. The dogs also ate well. They also had some tuna in their food. In the meantime, it's September 7 and we slept really well in Delmenhorst at the same place where we stood on the way when our journey began. And how many kilometers we still have to go? 417. It's 4:30 now and we are at Total Energies along Road 51, just past the village of Oldheim. And here we refueled again. We have to go another 30 miles before we are home. And after a safe arrival at home, our 2-week holiday to Denmark has now come to an end. We had a really great time. We saw a lot. We enjoyed nature. Most of the time had good weather. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Perhaps you would give me a thumbs up if you really like this video, and if you haven't subscribed for free yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button down below. And if you activate the bell, you will be automatically kept informed when new content has arrived. Your comments you can leave below this video. I hope to see you next time somewhere on my channel. Greetings from Linda and Lars and our doggies Kaylee, Ruby and Jilty.